Aw, animals.
Bird versus bird, kestrel and barn owl battle in a tree. A British birdwatcher captured the following amazing footage of a nighttime slobber knocker between a barn owl and a kestrel. In the blue corner we have the barn owl, cute in demeanour but an all-out killing machine when cornered. And in the red corner we have the kestrel, derived from the French word crochel, which means to rattle. The name says it all. The prize for our winner? A comfy, cosy nest. The fighters are ready. It's time for a bird fight. And both competitors come out swinging. It looks like the kestrel has brought some support at the entry. The two are sizing each other up, and it looks like the barn owl has the upper hand. The kestrel has the owl with its back to the wall. Wait, what's he doing? Is he trolling him? I don't know what they're saying, but that looks like some mean trash talk. And the owl uses its weight. The kestrel looks outmatched. The kestrel just left. It looks like we have a winner. Well done to the barn owl. Wait, but who is that?
Follow us down the rabbit hole. Visit the TomoNews.net website or download the app today.